Now, hello everyone. Today we'll focus on integration by part based problem, because basically study classes continue. Some problem I have already discussed in study class. So in this class I have discussed some major problem, okay, on the basis of part. Okay, look here very carefully. Now, first of all, I will focus on formula. Once again written here. If here u of x and here v of x dx, two function v of x and u of x, there are two function, then how can integrate? First function ux into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function, okay, into integration of second function, after that whole integration. Clear? And finally written C. Clear? Basically this one is a first function, first into second, and here first into integration of second, after that differentiation of first into integration of second, after the whole integration. Okay, clear? Now I will take some problem. Look here, integration of log of x plus under root x square plus a square dx. How can solve this type of problem? Look here, log of x plus under root x square plus a square, how can solve? With the help of this method. Simply here looking simply one function, log of x plus, but that this formula is valid for two function, but here one function. Look here, if this one written log of x plus under root x square plus a square into 1 into dx. I hope so clear. So you can write now here this one written this one into 1. Okay, it means you can, if you apply this formula, then simply this one is first function and this one is taken second function. If you this one taken first function and this one taken second function, so what is the advantage of that one? Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then also comment. Okay, so one by one I will discuss. Look, now this one first into integration of second, simply written here log of x plus under root x square plus a square, okay, into integration of 1 dx, means simply dx, minus differentiation of log of x plus under root x square plus a square, okay, into 1 dx. Clear? Now after that integration of x, simply you can see that into integration of dx, simply x, so x into log of here x plus under root x square plus a square. Clear? Minus, now differentiation of this one written simply 1 upon x plus under root x square plus a square into differentiation of this part, into differentiation of x is how much, 1, plus differentiation that one 1 by 2 into here basically x square plus a square to whole power 1 by 2, differentiation this one written how much, 1 by 2 into x square plus a square to whole power 1 by 2 minus 1, so minus half into 2x. So 2 cancels, simply x upon under root x square plus a square. Clear? So basically differentiation of that one written how much, x upon, so you can say that this one simply simplify version written x upon under root x square plus a square. After take LCM, then we got how much, x plus under root x square plus a square whole divided by how much, under root x square plus a square into x, this one written x plus under root x square plus a square. So finally you can say that 1 upon under root x square plus a square. Clear? So basically if this one differentiate, then we got how much, simply under root 1 upon under root x square plus a square into integration of dx, simply x. Okay, so into x dx. Clear? Now look here, this one written x into log of x plus under root x square plus a square. How can solve this type of problem? Look here very carefully. How can you integrate? Simply x upon under root x square plus a square. How can you solve this type of problem? Simply x square plus a square is taken t square. So x dx written t dt, that value put here. Then we got t dt divided by how much? This one replaced to t square, so under root t square, simply t. So basically dt, it means that is t. T means how much? Under root x square plus a square. So integration of this one simply written minus under root x square plus a square, and after that finally c adding here. Clear? Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay? If anyone face any doubt. Clear? If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Here x into log of x plus under root x square plus a square minus integration of that one. How can integrate? Simply follow this procedure, and finally we got how much? T means under root x square plus a square. So that value put here, and after that a new constant c is adding here. Okay? I hope so clear. I hope so clear. Now I will take another problem. Very simple. This one is given integration or log of x plus under root x square plus a square. How can solve? This formula is valid only for 2 if 2 function available. But if you see here only one function, so how can second function 1? So first into second. 1 is second function. So after that formula apply here 1 by 1. Okay? Clear or not? So now I will focus on next problem. I will focus on next problem. Next problem is integration of x to power n into log of x into dx. Okay, so which one take first function and which one take second function? If you see very carefully, integration of x to power n into log x dx. which part is taken first and which part is taken second. Look very carefully. Someone says, sir, I will take this one is first function, this one is take first function and this one takes second function. So if you apply this formula here, first into second, integration of log x, you know that? No. Integration, if you apply that formula, first x to power n into integration of log x dx. But I know that in x to power n, integration of x to power n is how much? X to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. But integration of log x, I don't know. So that's why log x taken first function. Clear or not? Clear? So log x taken first function and x to power n take second function. Clear? So you can say that log x is taken first function into x to power n taken second function. Here first and this one taken second. So you can say that if you apply this formula here, first means log x into integration of second x to power n dx minus differentiation of first function. You can say that log x divided by dx into x to power n dx. Clear? If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. So why log x take first function and x to power n takes second function? Clear or not? Because of if you take log x is a second function, then integration of, if you apply this formula, first into integration of second, first function if x to power n, then first into integration of second log x, I don't know. So that's why. But x to power n, integration of x to power n, I know that. Clear? So that's why x to power n taken first function, sorry, log x taken first function and x to power n takes second function. Clear? So after that apply that formula, this formula here, then we got how much? This one written log x into integration of this one x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now differentiation of this one, log x is how much? 1 by x. Integration of this one written 1 by x into x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into dx. That is how much? X to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into log x minus, what about that value? This one written x to power, here x to power 1. So simply x to power n. So you can say that x to power n upon n plus 1 into dx. Okay, so how can integrate? Very simple. N plus 1 upon n plus 1 into log x minus x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So n plus 1 into n plus 1, that is n plus 2, sorry, n plus 1 to the whole square. N plus c is the right answer. Make it. Clear? Make it. If any query is related to that topic, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. I hope so clear. Now next problem is, so everyone can take a screenshot, otherwise right now. Okay. Now third problem, whatever, third, fourth, whatever. Here integration of log of sec inverse x divided by how much, x into x square minus 1 dx. Okay. Clear? So how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here very carefully. Integration of log of sec inverse x divided by how much, x into x square minus 1. Okay. Look here, if sec inverse x is t, before solving let sec inverse x this be equal to t. So 1 upon x plus under root x square minus 1 dx replace to dt. I have so clear? Differentiation of sec inverse x is how much? 1 upon x into x square minus 1. Okay, this is equal to dt. It means, what is the meaning of that one? You can replace that part dt and that part replace to t. Okay, before apply this formula, you can, this question you can minimize. Okay, clear? How can minimize? Look here, if this one is t, so this one is dt, that's why. So log t into dt. Once again, this one is simple one function. Okay, log t is a one function, so again multiply 1, so written 1. So log t into 1 dt, so this one is a two function, this one and this one. Okay, 1 by t, integration of dt is t. So you can say that t log t minus dt. So you can say that t into log t minus t plus c, and after that t replace to sec inverse x. So sec inverse x is come, t replace to sec inverse x. So this one written sec inverse t minus 1, sorry, sec inverse x, not t, minus 1 plus c. I hope so clear. Make it. Okay. I hope so clear. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Look here. How can solve? Simply log of sec inverse x divided by x plus x square under root x square minus 1. So first of all, you can minimize, means you can say that if this function very carefully, sec inverse is t, so 1 upon x plus x into under root x square minus 1 is dt, dx is equal to dt. Okay, clear? So this one replace to dt. Now, so after that sec inverse x is t. Okay, so this one replace to t, so log t into dt, basically dx divided by that one written dt. So log t into 1 to dt. So you can say that this one is the first function and one is again second function. After apply that formula and resolve it, and finally t replace to sec inverse x, and then you got final answer. Okay, I hope so clear. Make it. Okay, if any query related to that topic, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now look, I will take another problem. 4. Problem number 4. Tan inverse under root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x dx. How can solve this type of problem? Simply, look here very carefully. How can solve this type of problem? Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Look here. In this type of problem, tan inverse under root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So always x taken cos theta or cos 2 theta. Okay. So how can simplify? First of all, let x this be equal to cos 2 theta, or you can say that simply theta, cos theta. So dx is how much? Replace to this one is minus sin theta d theta. Clear? Clear or not? So dx replaced to minus sin sin theta d theta. Look here. So tan inverse under root 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta d theta into sin theta. Here minus also written. After that, 1 minus cos theta is how much? 1 minus cos theta basically 2 sin square theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta is how much? This one is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cancel. Basically this one is tan square theta by 2. So this one replaced to tan theta by 2. The whole replacement how much? Tan, if this one replace, that one replace tan square theta by 2. So under root tan square theta by 2 means tan theta by 2. Okay, so basically you can write now here tan inverse tan theta by 2, okay, into sin theta d theta. After that, look here very carefully, this one minus half into theta sin theta into d theta. How can solve? Look here. After that, which one take first function and which one take second function? Here sin theta and here theta. So first function is theta and second function is sin theta. Why? If theta is taken second function, then after the apply formula, theta integration of theta, that is theta square by 2, again integrate theta cube by 3, so on so on. So you cannot find exact answer. Okay, so that's why this one is taken. This one is a polynomial and this one trigonometry. I have already discussed, if polynomial and trigonometry function are available, so polynomial function always take first function and trigonometry take second function. Okay, trigonometry basically sin theta, cos theta, tan theta type, not inverse type. Okay, so simply right now here minus half is common. If apply that formula, so you can say that theta into integration of sin theta d theta minus differentiation of d theta and here integration of sin theta into d theta to whole integration. I know that integration of sin theta is how much? Simply cos theta. So sin theta, integration of sin theta d theta is replaced to simply cos theta, sorry, minus cos theta. Okay, simply here minus cos. So right now here minus, this one is here minus half integration of sin theta minus cos theta, so minus theta into cos theta, and here minus d theta by d theta 1, and integration of sin theta is how much? Minus cos theta. So minus minus plus. So plus cos theta d theta. After that, multiply this one, multiply here, then we got how much? Theta by 2 into cos theta, and here minus half into integration of cos, simple sin theta, and after that finally add new constant c. Clear? I hope so clear. After that, look here very carefully. Simply cos theta is how much? X. So what about theta? Theta is written cos inverse x. But what about sin theta? If you did sin theta means under root 1 minus x square. So sin theta replaced to 1 minus x square, theta replaced to cos inverse x, and cos theta replaced to x. So this one written 1 by 2, theta replaced to how much? Cos inverse x and cos theta x. So x into cos inverse x and minus half sin theta replaced to how much? Under root 1 minus x square, and final answer, finally add new constant c. I hope so clear. Ganesh Patil, are you face any problem? Ganesh, if you are you facing any problem, then comment it. Hello, hi. So first of all, make it. Now I will take another problem. This question is very easy, not difficult, only simply x taken cos theta or cos 2 theta, then after that theta is cos inverse x, dx is replaced to minus sin theta d theta, and these value put here, and after that finally we got how much? Like that one, and this one is taken first function, this one taken second. Why this one is taken first function? Because polynomial function, and this one is taken second function because of trigonometry function. Okay, after that you can apply that formula, and we got like that one, and finally theta replaced to cos inverse x and sin theta replaced to 1 minus under root 1 minus x square, and cos theta replaced to x. Then put that value here and find the answer. Okay, I hope so clear. Integration of x square tan inverse x dx. How can solve this type of problem? Look here. How can solve this type of problem? Which one take first function and which one take first second function? Simply look here. If you don't know, you are not understand which one take first function, then you simply randomly you can choose. Okay, if this one is a first function and this one is taken second function, randomly someone take, sir I will take this one, and someone take, no sir I will, this one take first function and this one take second function. If this one take first function and this one take second function, what is the advantage? Look here, first into tan inverse x into integration of x square. Integration of x square, you can understand. So if you follow, means this one is take first function, this one take second function, that is more suitable. Otherwise, now look here, if this one is taken, someone says, sir, I will take the x square first function and this one takes second function. Now put that value here. First into integration of tan inverse x. You know that tan inverse, integration of tan inverse x? I don't know. So which one take first function? Tan inverse x. Clear or not? Why? So if tan x available, then you can take x square is the first function, tan x take second function. But here tan inverse x. So if inverse trigonometry available, the inverse trigonometry means tan inverse x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, then that part first take first function. Because of differentiation of inverse trigonometry are available, means sin inverse x, differentiation of sin inverse x, I know that, cos inverse x, I know that, sec inverse, I know that, tan inverse, I know that, but integration of tan inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, I don't know. Okay, so that's why I think clear which one take first and which one take second. So this one is a correct. Okay, and this one, if follow this procedure, you can go into wrong method. Okay, so you can say that this one written corresponding to that one. So apply that formula simply. First means tan inverse x into integration of sec x square dx. Second minus, look here, differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x into integration of x square dx. Clear? Look here, integration of x square, how much? X cube by 3. So this one written x cube by 3, that is x cube by 3 into tan inverse x. And what about that value? Differentiation of that one, how much? 1 plus x square, and this one written x cube into dx. Okay, so how can solve this type of problem? How can solve this one? Simply look here, x cube by 3 into tan inverse x minus half, here x into x square divided by x square plus 1. So better to write x square plus 1 adding minus 1 subtracting divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Clear? So x cube by 3 into tan inverse x minus half, look here, divided by here, so x 1 minus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. After that x cube by 3 into tan inverse x minus x dx minus minus plus 1 by 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx. Clear or not? Okay, very simple. Here x cube written simply x into x square. Now in bracket 1 adding 1 subtracting. What is the advantage? After that division here, so x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1, 1 minus 1 of x into simply x into 1 minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, so after that this one multiply here, then we got how much? Like that one. So finally you can write now here x cube by 3 into tan inverse, and that one 1 by 2 x into dx is how much? X square by 2. So basically x square by 2 into 2, that is 4, plus. Now how can solve this type of problem? Look here, integration of x upon x square plus 1. How can solve this type of problem? Look, x square plus 1, this will be equal to t. So x dx replace to dt by 2. So this one written dt divided by t. So that is log t. This one basically log t. Okay. So you can say that that one written simply log of x square plus 1, x square plus 1 modulus of x square plus 1 plus c is the right answer. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now I will explain again. Look here. Question is x square into tan inverse x dx. So first of all, which one take first function and which one takes second function? If polynomial available with tan x, cos x, tan sin x, or e to power x or a to power x, then polynomial take first function. But in case of if trigonometry function, inverse trigonometry function available, means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, polynomial available with sin inverse x, cos inverse x or tan inverse x, then inverse of trigonometry function take first function and polynomial takes second function. Look here, why? Because of integration of tan inverse x, cos inverse x, I don't know. So if apply that formula, if this one take second function, tan inverse x take second function and polynomials take first function, so polynomial into integration of tan inverse x, I don't know. So that's why polynomial take first function. Okay, because of if polynomial take first trigonometry inverse trigonometry function take first function, then what is the advantage? Simply first into second, integration of second, x square integration, simply x cube by 3, and but differentiation of tan inverse x, I know that 1 upon 1 plus x square. So that's why taken this one, tan inverse x is how much? First function, and x square take second function. So if you apply that formula here and put that value and find the answer. Okay, look here, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, sir, I face the doubt corresponding that step. I will discuss again. Here x cube by 3, so here also x cube by 3. Okay, so here 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, so here 3 into 3, so you can say that 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, silly mistake, I hope so clear. I hope so clear, make it.